Hello soldiers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to do our first assignment from module 2, that is analytics frameworks. So this assignment is from Excel. So we are having only one assignment in Excel. So yeah, we'll solve this thing, and the data set is Airbnb booking data set. So this data set is same dataset which we did in our capstone project. So there also I did analysis using Excel, so you can go and check that out. So here also we are going to do the same thing. So how to submit this assignment? That's a simple, just click on share. Here you need to change it to everyone, copy the link, then one thing, just click on done. And another thing is that here this thing, evaluate the rate, this thing you have to give, then you need to give the editor permission and then click on done. So you need to submit that link in the dashboard itself. Okay, it's a simple thing, no need to worry. If you are using Microsoft Excel, so yeah, I'll show you. If you are using Microsoft Excel, then what you can do, you can just download the file, or you can just save the file and you need to upload it to your Google Drive. There you can do the same stuff like sharing the link, and you have to submit that link in the submission portal. So either you can use Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet. I suggest you to use spreadsheet because so when you work in a company, right, so most of the people prefer to use spreadsheet only. No one uses Microsoft Excel because it's convenient to use. Yeah, many people can work on this spreadsheet only. So yeah, what you'll use, that's your wish, but yeah, I suggest you to use spreadsheet. Okay, so here are the questions. We are having total 7 questions, so I'll read them one by one. Top neighborhoods in New York City with respect to average price per day of Airbnb listings. Room types versus price on different neighborhood groups. On an average, for how many nights people stayed in each room types. How monthly reviews varies with room types in each neighborhood groups. So, and the fifth question is top 10 reviewed hostess on the basis of reviews per month, room types and their relation with availability in different neighborhood groups. And this is a optional one, explore relationships between the locations and neighborhoods. So we did total 6 questions. As you can see, these are the things which we did. For everything we used pivot table. So I'll show you how to use pivot table. So I'm going to show you how to do this first question. Okay, so same thing will apply for each and every question. Okay, no need to worry about that. So what we'll do first, so this is our data. So this is a column ID, name, host ID, host name, neighborhood group, neighborhood, latitude, longitude, room type, price, then minimum nights, state, minimum nights. Okay, number of reviews, last review, reviews per month, calculated host listings count, availability. So these are the things which we have. Just go to insert, then click on pivot table, right? Then you can just create a new sheet. Okay, so I already have these sheets, so I'm just going to create new one. Right here we are having rows and values. So what I'll do, so this is our first question, right? I'll just put this thing here. Top neighborhoods in New York City with respect to average price per day of Airbnb listings. So what I'll do, first I'll put this neighborhood in rows. So we are having all neighborhoods. So this is the price. In values, I'm just going to put price. So here they asked average price per day. So I'm just going to change it to average. Now you can see, so these are the average of price. So what we need to do, I'm just going to sort by average of price. Then I'm just going to change it to descending. So this is a thing you can see. This is the highest 800 rupees, as you can see. So it's in US, right, New York City. So $800. So I'm just going to, yeah, this thing also, yeah, we can plot chart here, all here only. Just go to insert, then chart. Okay, so we got this thing. You can change everything. Okay, you can edit everything from here. I'm just going to show you how to edit this chart also. Just click on edit, this thing, three dots, then click on edit chart. So basically this is bar chart. So automatically it chooses the chart uh, which is very much helpful to show this visual, show the visual of this particular data. So you can just change it to your wish. So as of now we are going to keep this thing only. So if we increase the size of this chart, so as you can see, we are having Fort Wordsworth as first one, the neighborhood group with the average price, with the highest average price. So this is it. You can edit everything. You can just customize this chart. Okay, you can change the color, background color also you can change. So okay, don't do, yeah, it's fine, but yeah, okay, play with it. What I say, when you, like, when you play with this thing, no, then only you can learn something. So yeah, that's what I say, that's what I did, and that's what works, right? And as you can see, this is what I have to tell you. So here is also same thing. This is the first question. Here what you can see, yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, I'm just going to, here we did stacked bar chart, we selected. Okay, in second question, here what we did, here what we need to find, room types versus price on different neighborhood groups. For this thing, on rows I took room type and neighborhood group. So here on values I took price, here average price. So yeah, so entire home apartment will be highest now, right? So I'm staying in apartment, so my rent would be high, right? So if I'm staying in lodge or somewhere for very short period of time, the price will be low, right? So yeah, that's what here you can see. In Manhattan, the entire home slash apartment is having highest average price. So yeah, shared room. So when we'll take shared room, so when we go out, then we'll take, right? So 5-star hotels or something, yeah, there we'll take that private room or something, that kind. So here you can see, here I'm just going to click on it. Here I used stacked column chart. So there is bar chart, these are the bar charts, these are column charts. Okay, then question 3, here on an average, for how many nights people stayed in each room type. So here I took in rows room type, then neighborhood group, in values I took minimum nights. So here I just kept average. So yeah, on average, oh yeah, here you can see, in entire home slash apartment. So yeah, as I told you, if we are staying at home, that would be more number of nights, right? So we will not stay for 1 day or 2 days like that, right? So that's what here it means. Okay, then question number 4, how monthly reviews vary with room types in each neighborhood groups. For this thing, I took room type, then neighborhood group, then number of reviews. Here I just took average of number of reviews, as you can see here also. So for entire home slash apartment, we are having more number of reviews. So you can just uh, do your analysis part. So it's easy to do analysis on Excel than using Python or some other languages. Yeah, it's true. You like this thing or not, but it's true. So from ages we are doing, like, from our grandfathers, we are using Excel for analysis purpose and for storing this data. Yeah, it's, but you can't do analysis on lots of data. It is having some limit, till then it can handle. Okay, here top 10 reviewed hostess on the basis of reviews per month. So for this purpose I took host name, then reviews per month. Here I just took maximum reviews. Here as you can see, raw NYC, the person who is staying in New York City, uh, yeah, that person is having, okay, I need to use this thing. Okay, so yeah, top 10 reviewed hostess on basis of reviews. So this is the top one person. Okay, then this one, like that. You can just check that out. Here room types and their relation with availability in different neighborhood groups. Here you can see on rows I took room type, then neighborhood group. So I took these two things. In values, so in values I took availability, so I took as median and as well as average. So yeah, so you can just see this thing here. I'm just going to click on edit chart. Here I took bar chart, right? So you can see there are a lot of customizations, you can apply them. Okay, you can just play with this thing. I'll give you the link to this spreadsheet in the description box below. Please do check it out. So yeah, I'm planning to upload all the assignments from analytics frameworks. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So please press that bell icon to get notified when I upload these videos. So yeah, I took break, but now I'm not going to take any break. After analytics framework I'll complete maths part. After maths part I'll complete machine learning. After that ML engineering. After that deep learning. I'll upload everything, so don't worry. And yeah, yeah, and that's it for now. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends, and bye bye.